Alright students, the next topic in popular services on the internet is email. We all know what is the full form of email. Email stands for electronic mail. It is a facility on internet to compose, store, send and receive messages to any part of the world. Like earlier, what happened? We used to send letters through inland, through post offices. Nowadays, we can send letters or we can send mails with the help of the internet. The convenience, simplicity and affordability of sending mails on internet has totally changed the correspondence system. Email is the fastest way of sending mails, where the postal address details like name, address, city, states, PIN, country, etc. have been replaced by the email address. Now earlier, when we have to send letters through post office, we have to write the senders, the receivers, to whom we have to send the letter. We have to write his full name, his full address with PIN code, the state, the country name, the PIN code, each and everything. Now, since we have to send the mail, so what we all need only one thing, and that is a valid email address. The email address is always given in the format like my email address. It's neeti201182@gmail.com. So that means I have created where my email ID have created. I've created my email ID on Gmail. So that is why neeti201182@gmail.com. We can also attach photos, videos or other important data along with our message. So that means what we can all send through the mail, we can send photos, we can send small videos, and we can also send some important data with the message. Some of the popular sites which provide the facility to send or receive mails are www.yahoo.co.in, www.gmail.com, www.redfmail.com. So these are few popular websites who provide sending and receiving mails. Now let me show it to you. So where my email ID I've created on the Gmail. So what I will do, I will click on the Google Chrome. Alright, now here, just wait for a second. Okay, let me close this, let me open this one. Alright, now you can see this is your Google Chrome page, home page of Google Chrome. Now I want to open my email, my Gmail. So what I need to do is, first of all, click on the Google Chrome. Just wait for a few seconds. Now this one you can see, it is Gmail, It's written inbox 249. Now it has opened. Now this. Now here it is written Gmail. So what I will do, I will click on it, and automatically my Gmail account will be opened on the screen. Since you all have already created an email ID because of this pandemic, because you have to give your exams, so you have already created an email. Now To use email facility on the internet, first we have to create our personal email account. Okay, you have to create a personal email account. We have to select a username that is your email address, and provide a secret code that is a password, along with our particulars, like we have to fill few details also, like name, address, date of birth, your interest, your qualification, and few more things. You have already learned about all this in previous class. Okay, now this is, when you click on this Gmail, this is how your Gmail or your email looks like. Okay, now here it is. I'll go one by one. It is, just a minute, let me refresh it. Yeah, now this is compose. Now what is compose? Compose means to write an email. When you have to write a mail to anyone, we have to click on the compose option. This is compose. Now let me click on this compose. You can see. So what, here few things are written: to, CC, BCC, and subject. Okay, so to. So here what I need to do is I have to type the email address to whom I have to send this mail. Let me type the email address. It's already come, Rajika Mishra 1001. So I'll select it. Then CC. CC means carbon copy, and BCC means blind carbon copy. Now CC. For example, I have to send the same mail to, I have to send the carbon copy of the same mail to someone else also. So for that, I will click on the CC. And BCC. BCC means blind carbon copy. Now blind carbon copy means, for example, to whomsoever I will write the email address, this person will not, these two person, to and CC, will not come to know that I have sent the same mail to BCC, blind carbon copy. Alright. So for that, what you need to do is, for example, you want to send this mail to Rajika Mishra, okay, and you want the same mail to be sent to someone else, that is BCC. So for this, what you need to do is, you have to write the email address. You have to write the subject also. Subject is compulsory to write. Subject, say hi. And here you can compose the mail. Dear Rajika, how are you? It will come automatically. Okay. Now, if you click on the send button, this mail, yours, Neeti. Alright. So if you click on the send button, what will happen? This mail will go to Rajika Mishra's email ID. Here you can change the font formatting options are there. This is attachment. When you have to attach files as in like Word file or your PPT, then you click on this attachment. This is link. If you want to send any link, any website address. These are all smileys, emojis. If you have to, if your some file is using, it's in the drive, Google Drive. So from there also you can send that file. You can send the photos. You can send any confidential mode. You can turn it on that yes, you want to, that this is the confidential. Turn confidential mode on or off means that if you want the reminder of this particular mail and all. And this is insert signature. For that you have to first put your signature. Signature is in like Neeti Mishra, St. Francis School, that I belong to St. Francis. So all the details about me, my phone number, my email ID, all these things. And then click on send. So this mail will be automatically sent to, you can see it's written, sending message sent. Okay, this is inbox, this is start, snoozed, sent. If you want to see that whether this mail has been sent or not, click on the sent one and it will take few seconds. Just wait. See, this mail has been sent. To Rajik Mishra, the subject is hi, dear Rajika, how are you? Yours, Neeti. Alright. Draft, any draft mail. Drafts as in like if you want to planning, if you have no, if you have already typed the mail but you have not sent, so it will be automatically be as considered into draft option. So these are all the different options. Now, composing and sending mails. What is that? To write a mail to anyone, we have to click on the compose option. It will open a new window wherein we type the email address of the receiver, subject of the mail, and the text in the body. After composing an email, click on the send button on the toolbar. So this is how you can send the mail. Now, one thing very important, we can send the same mail to many persons by typing their email addresses separated by commas. Okay, if you want to send the same mail to 3 people, 4 people, what you can do is simply type their email address, and both the email addresses should be separated by the comma.